Okay, okay, guys. Welcome to the halftime show. We're doing the halftime show ngayon na para kasi sa dami ng mga movers baka mawala na sa isip ko. So now kakatapos na ng market. It's just been 2 trading days for this week kasi holiday yung isa. So ang dami pa rin gumagalaw left and right. So this is a way for you guys to be able to be updated. To be updated if hindi kayo masyado nanonood ng nakakasubaybay ng mga stock movements, hindi kayo updated sa current events. So this is one avenue for you to be updated. Okay, of course we do this every Wednesday for the new viewers. Welcome to the halftime show. We're gonna talk about all the movers for the past 2 days or sometimes even from mga nag-move nung Friday last week. So bakit sila gumalaw and then is there news behind it? So let's start. And this is all technical based where we have a in view natin parating chart wise and then but we also have some news on sometimes just to give you guys some clear perspective on what's happening here. Okay, so here I'm going to share my screen one. Okay, this is my screen one. Okay, we're going to start off by looking at the PSE. Okay, PSE, I'm going to move my stuff here. Okay, PSE is down 1%. Okay, so this is a normal move because ang laki-laki na ng inakit ng PSE. Okay, so we can see a lot of winners pa rin, winners and losers. So why paulit-ulit ko na itong sinasabi, what's happening here in this market, people are rotating their funds, meaning rotating their funds. If you took profit on a certain stock, you want to put your money somewhere else na hindi pa gumagalaw. So that's why we can see a lot of different stocks moving left and right. So we're currently in a bull environment. So as you can see this whole line pataas to. So starting October 19, we've been in a bull run. That's a 20% increase in the index. So that's very, very big, a very big run up. So that's very good for our economy. Lalo na going into Christmas time, all the investors, I hope medyo nakabawi tayo from the downtrend ng earlier months of COVID. This one, I'm talking about the drop here, di ba? So ngayon, almost at bawi na siya, same nung February levels, right? So it presented a lot of opportunities to traders and investors to get stocks really, really, really cheap and discounted prices, okay? So nagkaroon ng exaggerated buy. Okay, so enough of that talk. We're here to talk about the top movers. Okay, so here we have Abra Mining. So it's been up for 2 days. Now, so with huge volume, there's no news. Wala akong news na basa dito. So this is a very, very speculative stock. As you can see, it's trading at 0.002 cents. So per fluctuation is very, very big. So if you are not, or if you are just new here in trading or in the stock market, please avoid this stock because this can die easily. Okay, so it's been up almost 100% in the past 2 days. No, so historically, downtrend, pero nagpa-pop siya once in a while, but I'm not sure. Yeah. Okay, here we have OPM 5 million traded, but it's not that. The volume is not that convincing. Okay, so we have APL. This is another third liner stock. So people are flocking to third liner stocks because wala na silang masyadong siguro makita na ma-trade or something. So this is also a dangerous avenue to trade, but it can present a very, very well. It can give you modest gains. But if you want to learn how to trade this, I think you should go to my website on how to trade penny stocks. Okay, so it's gonna be we will teach you how to size how to size those stocks, right? So here, where am I? So I'm gonna share it again. Share my screen one. Here, here is the article. You can go to my website. It's johnedwardu.com here. Okay, so we can see this. I've outlined a few guidelines on how to pick the right stock with heavy volume, with liquidity. Take easy money and run. When it shows you a 50% profit, 100% profit, you can run. Position sizing is key here. So if you want, you can review it here on my website. You have to get the average volume traded and then use that average to size up. So size your position. So you cannot buy more than what you can. If you buy more than what you can in volume dito, it will be very dangerous for you to get out. But if you bought naman mas konti, well, that's safer. Okay, so here you can check that out. Okay, so I'm going back to my movers. So ito, CYBR Corporation, it's been moving, but volume is a little bit thin, but yes, if you want to trade it, then go ahead. This is the top mover for the day. I don't have any news. If you check the news here, there's no news there. Okay, so ACEX is a top mover for today. Last week sinabi ko na to, no? It's been moving because of the news here. 14 days ago or somewhere, it's in this news. It's on this day. Somewhere here and then here. Okay, there's the gap here in the first and then the second gap here. Okay, this one say sinasabi nila they want to have they're looking for a foreign partner to drill their Palawan exploration. So there's possibility there's gas there. Okay, so sinabi ko niyan ulit, I don't want to repeat myself. So market cap is currently at 2.7 billion compared to PXP, which is at 27 billion, 26 billion as of now. But both of them have good technicals. Okay, so I just trade the price. So here we have yes, ACEX moving up. Maybe speculating that maybe Ayala will get a decent partner to drill that Palawan area and get some oil. Okay, so here we have no OV oil. Nope. SCC. Okay, this is a mover for today. It's very, very strong. Mining sector has been very strong, but this company has been buying back shares. Okay, so as you can see here on the side, we have a lot of change in principal shareholder. So they've been buying back in this area. Okay, so at that area. So maybe that's a very good sign. So umakyat na rin siya. Okay, so no momentum yet for this stock. So we're just I want to buy it also. So I'm just gonna wait for a proper entry point. Or okay, this is an uptrending stock with a little bit volume, so you can trade this at your own risk also. UPM, LBC, SOC, yeah, not much there. Okay, DFNN, it's a mover yesterday because they secured an online gaming license. So 50% yan yesterday. So yung nakita na natin may clue na dito sa early early November. Then it did the sideways consolidation. So I wasn't aware of this. If I saw this earlier, I could have triggered it at around 460 to 5 pesos area. But hindi. So now I'm given here a pause day, and then if you know me, I will take advantage of this and I will wait for a proper entry before I'm going in this stock. Okay, LFM, no volume. MRC, this is a penny stock that has risen for the longest time. So it's been up almost 140%. Diba? So this is little profiting or sometimes distribution. So it can go down. It can go down to the 50-day MA, so anything is possible. Okay, ICT is a top loser for today, but it's been closed down, meaning auction in the last 5 minutes na close lang siya. So if you get an idea, let's put a 5-minute chart. It's been trading at 122 pre-closing, and then it was closed at 119.3. So sometimes may gusto magbenta ng malaking chunk of shares, they want to sell it in the last 5 minutes of matching of the prices. Okay, we have MRC, ICT, Dito Telecom, may news to yesterday. Diba yung parang sinabi ng Senate, ayaw siya payagan na mag-renew ng contract. So they have to do something about it. News yan news yesterday. So yes, so it's just in that range. Pero closing at higher, above 7 actually. So it's good. I'm just gonna keep an eye on this. AC is a top loser for today. I guess it's also been forced down. So Chelsea Logistics is going with JGS is also down. So it's still an uptrending stock above the 50-day EMA. Now Corporation is down, but what do you expect? So we besides yung mga movers na to, we have a lot of small caps movers. Okay, so we're going to talk about them. Okay, we have a low float, low volume, meaning SPC and going up. It's a power company, so it's now going up. We have Vol. So this one has been trending upwards, but hindi ko masyado na radar to. So dito yung pwedeng entry point around 88 cents. Tapos mayroong entry point around 106. Now pwede pa ulit. So this is a good, I think this is a good stock to, this is a good stock to trade. Okay, so currently on a strong uptrending. Okay, so yan yung gusto ko, yun yung mga gusto natin. Atlas Mining has been uptrending. So yung mga uptrending stocks, these are the kind of stocks that mahirap na siyang bilhin, di ba? Talagang trending, uptrending tawag, uptrending stocks. Uptrending stocks. So they're in that uptrend channel. So the only way you can get in is just by buying near the 10-day MA or buying in the small pauses there, but it's going to be very, very hard to catch it. As you can see, ACEX of this is at 68 now. So, diba? So the only way to catch them is somewhere here, right? Or in the start of the first move. So yes, if you have it, then it's okay. Good for you. Okay. So we have Axelum they also have a buyback program. So now it's doing this pullback formation. So you can see you can enter here tomorrow if you want. So parang dito entry point here. This is also an uptrending stock with a stock buyback program. AGI also as well has that buyback program. So you can see this is trending up na. No? So laki na yung inakit nito because it's 40% for a blue chip company because it has a buyback program. I think Mega World also has that. So yan, laki ng inakit niya. Kasi merong tinutulungan ka ng may-ari na bumili. Bumibili din sila. So that's why it's faster going up. So we have BSE, top loser. So top loser from the top, it's down around 11%, but you can see it's forming a new base here at the top. So this might be worth looking at, okay? So DMC is another trending stock, uptrending stock na siya. So uptrending stock, tapos dyan, umakyat. Ang hirap pasukan ito. So here, I cannot do much because wala siyang entry point for me, okay? Fruit, okay. Fruit is top mover last Friday. So this has also been trending up. So you can buy it near the dips, near the pullbacks. So saan po yung mga yan? Dito po, 10-day pullbacks here. So that's how you buy them. Okay? Shopee. Yeah. Tapos, yes, that's ito. Mahirap din huliin yan. RLC it's been very, very strong. RLC, yan, uptrending stock with ADX reaching 30. So abangan natin to. So this is blue chips na gumagalaw, right? We have Nickel Asia moving also uptrending. FNI also moving uptrending also. So something's up with nickel. Ito, mga nickel stocks, no? Shell PH, ito, grabe. So I was I wanted to enter somewhere here, but I missed it. I entered somewhere here. I sold it fast. And then here, sayang ulit. So looking at that move, it's around 27%. So that's so for those who mga sa premium, kung nakuha nyo to, congratulations sa inyo. Manila Water's been moving, but it broke that 16 peso mark. So now it's pausing with a little bit of momentum. So we want to wait for that. Vita. So yan, it's uptrending. So nabubuhay yung mga stocks yan. So no news on that also. Maxes Corporation, uptrending stock. Grabe. So from breakout ng 5, dire-diretso na siya hanggang 8 point. That's 60%. Okay, so grabe. So mga nakakuha nito sa bottom. Congrats. Galing. So tech is a mover also today. Pero yeah, it's forming a new pattern here. So we'll just wait and see what happens. Jollibee is uptrending, you know. So uptrending meaning there's a lot of small green candles moving up. So hirap na huliin ito because normally I would suggest going in that short pullbacks, but if it keeps going up, I cannot do anything about it. So we saw Medimart correct today. It's down 1%, pero wala naman. We saw SECB burst again, momentum. I entered last week in this area. Now it's up 11%. We have SMC also pausing here at the top. I like this flag consolidation here. You can put your stop at 132, trigger at 136. Very good to go. Okay. Macro Asia. Oh, ito controversial yung mega wide, di ba? Yung nagkaroon sila ng case, so that's why it's been down last week. Ganda ng chart sana, uptrend, tapos bilang nagkaroon ng news, down. So it's currently still on an uptrend, so it's okay. Chart-wise, it's okay. Yes, I think that's it. So if you guys want to know more about the premium membership, you can email me at boominiuniversity@gmail.com. We have our new feature, the Viber group feature. So you can chat live with me during market hours. So medyo okay naman so far. We've been doing it for the 3 weeks already. We've been trading US also. We've been trading the local. So we have updates every morning on news, current events. That's more actually real time. So I think if you want that kind of interaction, I think that is something you can email me or check out my website if you want to join. We have a lot of books, and then we have the other stuff there, okay? A lot of new contents. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next Wednesday. Premium members, I'll see you guys on Sunday. We'll talk about our stock picks for the next week. I'll see you guys on Viber. Kayo mga ka-halftime show, I'll see you guys next week. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. Ingat kayo parati.